Mrs. Stewart, I've known her, I would say about 20 plus years. I know I
Oh,
don't look, old enough to know anybody that long, but yeah, she is her and her husband started a foundation many years ago, and it's still going strong. And she took on as president of the Shiloh Community Foundation. And so she's working on making sure the students have access to resources, opportunities for post-secondary options, scholarships to get to school, and different things like that. So she's just making sure that her community, and all four of her children are alumni of Shiloh High School. So this is a community that she raised her family in. This is the community that she continues to serve. So
you mentioned scholarships, and we will be presenting 3 scholarships at our event. And this will be in the form of a raffle for students in
yes,
attendance.
yeah,
So we want the students to attend. We're actually making this event free to students, high
students,
school,
yes,
so they can attend for free. And 3 of those students attending will receive a scholarship,
that's big.
$200, $200.
And they can use it however they see fit for books, yeah.
That's to advance their education in whatever way.
Abs-
Well,
abs-
what depends on their needs, right?
right,
Depends
absolutely.
on their needs. So that's another big thing that will be come as a result of this event we call the A Colloquium,
Yes.
in
These
pursuit of
these are these are seeds being sown. So this is good.
absolutely,
This is good.
absolutely, and that's what we're all about, right? Passing it on.
Absolutely.
They say that if you have a choice to be a river or a lake,
You're gonna be
I
a
take,
river.
I take the river all day long.
Yeah,
They
it's
say
not,
the lake contain and store. It's a bit selfish.
yeah, because it's stagnant. It's stagnant. Um,
Absolutely. And that river is flowing, depositing along its
absolutely.
things, and just leaving good things behind, right?
Yep.
As it passes through communities and so forth, just as we, pass and deal with people every single day.
That analogy is good, Doc. And what I just thought about is the flowing current of the river. There are trees and other just livestock and stuff like that stay close to the current for nourishment, so it can thrive and grow. So I liken it to what we're doing now. you know
Mhm.
um just and those that we're walking with and helping, like, they're staying close to us, and because of that, they're able to go on and further be enriched and be nourished and replenished and everything. So it's definitely a good
Wow,
thing.
it's a beautiful thing. And talking about scholarships, right? We're doing more because
Yes.
we have these wonderful books, right? We have Unearthing You, Your Guide to Self-Discovery and Personal Growth, and we also have A Collision with Purpose in Pursuit of
Yep.
Purpose. And for each book that is purchased on our website, we are donating or contributing $5. $5
Five.
will go towards a scholarship fund. So,
So for those who are, get your book, buy your book. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because you are a contributor to someone else's future. um, when you purchase your book, you are ensuring that some young adults have the resources and access that they need to further advance in life. So
and I want to take it a step further. You say contributing to someone else's future. You're contributing to your own future because we live in these communities, right?
absolutely,
In
that
addition
that's
to helping students,
yep,
you're
yep,
building community, and we need to be in better communities, and we need
yes,
individuals who are progressive or making moves or doing things to build communities so we can live in a productive, safe place.
That's a great point as well. We're not just contributing to someone's future, but like you said, we're actually strengthening our communities by through our contributions.